struggling with prostate symptoms like urgency, weak flow, or waking up multiple times a night just to urinate. You're not alone, and you're not without options. There's one simple movement that can activate your pelvic circulation and help shrink your prostate naturally without stepping into a gym or buying expensive equipment. I'm Dr. Isabel Lopez, a urologist specialized in prostate health for men over 55. And where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments and stick around because I have a surprise for you at the end. In this video, I'll show you a quick, practical exercise you can do at home, just 3 minutes a day, that could start easing your symptoms in just a few weeks. We're talking about more than just movement. This is about unlocking your body's natural ability to fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and restore balance to the muscles and organs that matter most as you age. And yes, this applies even if you've been sedentary for years. If you've been dealing with that constant urge to go, feeling like your bladder never quite empties, or simply missing the days when your body responded like it used to, this may be the simplest solution you've overlooked. You don't need special shoes. You don't need a personal trainer. Just your body, a little space to move, and a willingness to try something that thousands of men over 55 are already doing to improve their quality of life. Follow the channel so you don't miss the demonstration and the key details that make this exercise so effective. Most men don't realize how closely blood flow is tied to prostate function. The prostate sits deep in the pelvic region, and it depends heavily on healthy circulation to stay nourished, oxygenated, and free from inflammation. When blood flow decreases, usually due to aging and inactivity, the prostate can become sluggish, swollen, and irritated. A sedentary lifestyle weakens not just the legs, but the entire pelvic system. Sitting for hours compresses blood vessels, slows hormone delivery, and reduces the oxygen your prostate needs to thrive. Over time, this leads to congestion and dysfunction. That's why BPH tends to get worse with age, especially if movement is limited. Exercise changes this dynamic completely. When you move with purpose, you stimulate blood flow, flush out inflammatory byproducts, and reawaken the muscle groups that support your bladder and prostate. The result: less pressure, fewer symptoms, and a more balanced internal environment. Improved circulation also promotes better hormone regulation. Testosterone, insulin, and even cortisol all influence prostate size and function. Physical movement helps the body process these hormones more efficiently, reducing the chemical imbalances that contribute to prostate growth. It's also about vascular flexibility. As you get older, blood vessels can stiffen, restricting nutrient delivery to sensitive organs. Gentle, daily exercises help maintain the elasticity of those vessels, especially in the lower body. That's why we focus on targeted movement, not intense workouts. Up next, I'll introduce you to a specific, easy-to-learn exercise that gets blood flowing directly into the pelvic area. It's called fast marching in place, and it could be the game changer you've been waiting for. You don't need fancy machines or a gym membership to improve prostate health. One of the most effective movements you can do is called fast marching in place. It's a low-impact, full-body activation that works especially well for men over 55. The goal is to simulate brisk walking, right where you stand, but with more focus on the pelvis. This exercise gets your heart rate up gently while encouraging circulation to the lower abdomen and pelvic organs. Unlike regular walking, fast marching in place involves lifting your knees higher, which activates the core and the muscles surrounding the prostate more directly. It's safe, accessible, and incredibly efficient. You can do it in your living room, kitchen, or even next to your bed in the morning. No equipment required. No need to go outside. Just a few feet of space and a few minutes of your time are enough to get started. The key is in the repetition and rhythm. Each step sends a fresh wave of blood to your lower body, flushing stagnant fluids and promoting elasticity in your pelvic blood vessels. Over time, this simple motion helps reduce inflammation, ease urinary symptoms, and support a healthier prostate environment. Men who've added this exercise to their daily routine often report feeling lighter, more energized, and more in control of their bladder function. It's not a cure-all, but it is a powerful tool when practiced consistently. Coming up, I'll walk you through exactly how to perform this movement the right way, including proper form, pacing, and tips for making it part of your daily routine. Start by standing upright with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core slightly engaged. This stable posture sets the foundation for good form and prevents unnecessary strain on your lower back or hips. Now, begin marching in place by lifting one knee at a time toward your chest. Aim to bring each knee up to waist level, or as high as comfortably possible. Don't force the motion. Stay within your range of mobility. As you march, swing your arms naturally, just like you would if walking outdoors. Your breathing should be steady and rhythmic. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This keeps your heart rate stable and helps your muscles stay relaxed. Avoid leaning backward or arching your lower back. Keep your spine neutral throughout the movement. Start with just 2 to 3 minutes a day. That's enough to begin stimulating circulation without overwhelming your system. As your strength and coordination improve, you can gradually increase the pace or extend the duration up to 5 minutes. The key is daily consistency, not intensity. You can easily make this part of your routine by pairing it with something you already do, like watching the morning news or listening to your favorite podcast. It's simple, but when done consistently, this habit can bring powerful long-term benefits. In the next section, you'll discover what's actually happening inside your body during this movement and why it works so well for prostate health. When you begin fast marching in place, your body quickly shifts into action. One of the first things that happens is an increase in blood flow to your lower body, especially the pelvic region. This is key for prostate health. With more oxygen-rich blood reaching the prostate, inflammation can gradually decrease and tissue function improves. Your pelvic muscles, including those supporting the bladder and bowel, are activated with each lift of the knee. These muscles often weaken with age, especially in men who sit for long periods. Fast marching helps reawaken those systems, creating better coordination and support for the organs below the waist. Another important shift happens in your vascular system. This exercise stimulates tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, in the pelvis to open up. That improves circulation at the micro level, encouraging detoxification and hormone delivery, two critical processes that influence prostate size and function. As your body warms up, you also trigger the release of anti-inflammatory chemicals and endorphins. These natural substances help reduce discomfort, improve mood, and support healing from within. Many men find that just a few minutes of this movement lifts their energy and mental clarity for the entire day. Fast marching also encourages better testosterone regulation. Hormone balance plays a direct role in prostate growth and urinary symptoms. Gentle cardiovascular movement like this helps your endocrine system stabilize naturally, without pills or procedures. In the next segment, we'll explore the long-term benefits of doing this consistently. From fewer bathroom trips to better energy, you'll see why 3 minutes a day is more powerful than it sounds. Doing just 3 minutes of fast marching in place each day may seem simple, but over time, the effects can be transformative. One of the most noticeable benefits for many men is a reduction in BPH symptoms. That means fewer urgent bathroom trips, less dribbling, and a stronger, more controlled urinary stream. As you build consistency, this exercise also supports gradual weight loss, particularly in the abdominal area. That's important because excess belly fat is linked to hormonal imbalances and higher levels of inflammation, two key contributors to prostate enlargement. Shedding even a few pounds can make a measurable difference in symptom relief. Regular movement also improves mood and cognitive clarity. Endorphins released during exercise help stabilize emotions, reduce anxiety, and even sharpen memory. When your body feels better, your mind follows, and that leads to better decision-making around health and lifestyle. Another often overlooked benefit is improved sexual function. The pelvic floor and surrounding muscles play a vital role in blood flow and responsiveness. Over time, this type of exercise may support better performance and confidence, especially when combined with other healthy habits. Your cardiovascular system also gets stronger. Marching in place may not seem intense, but it stimulates the heart and lungs, helping reduce the risk of heart disease and other age-related conditions. This leads to greater stamina and resilience across all areas of life. Join the Members Club and leave a super like if you're committed to simple, effective health solutions that actually fit into your daily routine. Up next, let's make sure you're doing this exercise safely, with some easy adjustments if you're just getting started or need extra support. While fast marching in place is simple and low impact, proper form ensures it stays safe and effective, especially for men over 55. The first rule is to keep your knees aligned with your hips. Avoid swinging your legs outward or twisting your torso. Controlled movement is far more beneficial than speed. If you have balance concerns, use a chair or wall for support. Place one hand lightly on a stable surface while marching. This allows you to build strength and coordination without the risk of falling. Over time, your balance will likely improve as the pelvic and core muscles become more engaged. Start slowly. There's no need to go full speed on day one. Begin with a gentle pace, focusing on posture and breathing. As your confidence and endurance grow, you can increase the tempo gradually. Always listen to your body. This should feel energizing, not exhausting. Be mindful not to lean backward or arch your back while lifting your knees. Maintain a tall, upright stance, and avoid locking your knees when your foot returns to the floor. This helps prevent joint strain and encourages smoother, more fluid movement. If joint pain or stiffness is an issue, consider wearing supportive footwear and marching on a soft surface like a yoga mat. These small adjustments can make the exercise more comfortable and sustainable long-term. In the final segment, I'll show you how to stay consistent and build this into your routine so that you actually see results. And remember, 3 minutes a day can make all the difference. Join the Members Club. Drop a super like. Follow the channel and leave a comment if you're ready to take charge of your prostate health, starting today. Your experience might inspire someone else to begin their journey too. Just 3 minutes a day. That's all it takes to start seeing changes in your energy, circulation, and urinary comfort. You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym. Just the commitment to show up and move your body one step at a time. Consistency is what turns small actions into powerful results. Set a reminder, link the exercise to a daily habit, or even invite a friend to join you. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress and momentum. Every day you show up, your body responds. As the days turn into weeks, you'll likely notice fewer interruptions at night, better control during the day, and more confidence in your body. This movement was designed for men over 55, but its impact goes far beyond age. Your prostate health is not out of your hands. It's responsive to the choices you make every day. And now you have one of the simplest, most accessible tools to support it, starting right now. Don't let prostate issues hold you back. Start marching today. And stay tuned for our next video, where I'll show you a complimentary stretch that multiplies these benefits and takes just 60 seconds to complete.